Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we focus on table audit in SSIS. In our previous course, we talked about decoding. We used the arrow output file to record the field loading information. Today, we are moving to audit about which package was running, how long this package took, how many rows were extracted, insert, errored, how many rows were counted at the beginning and at the end, and who did it. We duplicate the decoding package and rename it as table audit. We set a parameter table name as custom datemart table. We drag in a execute SQL task into control flow named as initial row count. Type SQL statement as result set is single row, parameter mapping, table name, varchar 0. Result set is 0 user star row counter. Click OK. We drag in another execute SQL task. Rename as insert audit table. Result set is single row. SQL statement is parameter mapping. Result set 0 user ID key. Click OK. Double-click decoding task. Drag in a row count between OLEDB source and OLEDB destination. Add variable extract row count, arrow row count. Variable as user extract row count. Rename as extract row count. Drag in second row count between OLEDB destination and the script component, named as arrow row count. Variable is user arrow row count. Back to control flow. Drag third execute SQL task into control flow. SQL statement is parameter mapping. Then click OK. Let's execute this package. Let's check the audit table. We got the table audit information about which package was running, how long this package took, how many rows were extracted, inserted, errored, how many rows were counted at the beginning and at the end, and who did it. Perfect job. Learn SQL from real jobs. See you next time.